Love for the fam, props to my brother, sister, goddamn, give word to your mother. Got donuts for the pigs, got fire for an undercover piece. To the other side, we out here hugging motherfuckers. Sheeps pushing paperwork, got drama for a bureaucrat. Gorilla rep anonymous, a rider like the Thundercats. Rebel with the truth, not a thug with a baseball bat. Words of the sages, I was raised by the alley cats. Using tools gifted by the chaos guru. He's a crazy fucking fool. You'd be a wizard if you knew the do. Got some profit jewels, calling brain food. Lessons of the ages hiding in the lessons you and I are vibing to. Details of Mother Nature, Earth provides for you. Words of your father, truth, eye of the eye. I'm defining through its crazy brew. Got 'em in our pockets and the rent is due. Will you trade 'em to stay comfortable? Actions of the ingenue. Spread 'em through the brew. For the lost kids to catch a new view, a sneak preview. Truth and love rendezvous, the words I'm providing you. Drunk on the truth, Uncle Sam tried to cut me off. Tried to take my freedom, couldn't, then he tried to ship me off. He's mooching off my ducats, got me stranded, feeling kinda lost. Still got a smile and a pocket full of pretty rocks. What's the time? Fuck it, doing good now. Gonna start a fire in this crowd with this funky sound. Drown the hate, got me surfing on a grateful cloud. Feeling kinda nice, writing scriptures to the underground. Lets us in the limits of the subjugation nation. Drop and get lost in procrastination stations. Are you blinded by the light? Call me illuminator. Nothing but the truth spoken through this rainbow creator.